Hello, this is Ben here, and today I'm going to look at a problem called a nested radical. And a nested radical just means that you've got a radical symbol inside of a radical symbol. And this one's actually a infinite nested radical, and then it goes on forever. You can see I wrote it down behind me here. We're taking the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1, dot, 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 meaning it continues. So it never ends. And I'm going to show you how to solve this one by getting rid of infinity, to show you that it is possible to get rid of infinity. This is like one of those math problems on steroids. Pretty fun. So anyways, I also wrote it down under here. Again, I'm going to leave it up there just for a reason. So we're going to set x equal to this nested radical here. So x equals that. And what do we do in algebra when we have a square root and we have to solve for the inside? We simply take the square of both sides. So we're going to do that. And then we get x squared is equal to a square, and a square root will cancel. So the square root symbol goes away once we do that. And you just get what's inside the square root symbol. So we get 1 plus the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1, and so on. But look at this for a second here. Okay? This is nothing more than x, right? Because we set this equal to x up here. You can see x equals the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1 plus the square root of 1, dot, dot, dot. So this is nothing more than x. So we can simply use substitution and replace this whole thing with x. So we get x squared equals 1 plus x. And now you can see we've got rid of infinity. And now to solve this, since there's an x squared here, we can use the quadratic formula, set it equal to 0, and using the quadratic formula will give you this as your answer. 1 plus minus the square root of 5 over 2. And we're going to just assume that this is the positive of that, so we'll get rid of the negative. And this number right here, we'll write it again, 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. If you remember, that number is a special number called phi, which is the golden ratio. So you actually get the golden ratio as your answer with this one. And the golden ratio applies to many things, as some of you know that have studied the golden ratio. So there you go. It's possible to get rid of infinity.